Begin by scraping the shutter of any old paint or dirt. Next, add a coat of spray paint to both sides. Then measure and cut or have your wood cut for you. And add a coat of stain if desired. Next, pre-drill and drill the wood pieces into the top, middle, and bottom of each shutter on both sides. After your shell has been built, it's time to add the shelves. Pre-drill and drill the wood into all four corners of the top, middle, and bottom shelf on the cart. Next, add 4 caster wheels to the bottom. Flip it over and that's it. Use the top as extra counter space and fill it up with cookbooks, pots, pans, and cooking utensils. Add an intake hook for towels or other decorative elements. I hope this inspires you to rescue an old pair of shutters from your local thrift store. See you in my next video!